method we showed you. Okay, so you got this portion of the stuff done, you have an idea of what it's like and everything else. My documents, my music will take most of the stuff across. Go ahead.
Will it also take programs if I couldn't have a program?
If you use a program like Casper and it only on desktops, when you do a laptop may or may not work. I don't want to promise you something that I can't tell you right now. No, you're not using Casper, you're using something else. You're using different programs.
I didn't use the program, I just put it over on my external hard drive.
But when you transferred it to an external drive, you used their software, they did something, and you didn't check it, number one, and you didn't check it in such a way to see if you could see it like this. If you probably would have landed up, everything would have said Bill's documents there, probably would have had backup and a date, and I'm going to take a guess, dot, and it's going to say DAT. DAT nobody can read, unless you go back to the manufacturer. Now I'm going to show you something else on the same subject. I mentioned before hidden files and folders, right? To see the hidden files and folders, go up to Tools, Jerry. Go down to Folder Options. Go to View Type. See where it says, let me just get it for a second. See where it says Hidden Files and Folders? You want to put a dot, it'll switch the dots back to there, show hidden folders, and the next one you want to show is, you want to take that check mark off. And then you're going to have to say apply, okay. And what's going to happen is, if you go now to the right, over here, all the documents will show up in their file formats. So if you were looking for JPEGs, DOC files, now DOCs can be Word documents, they can be Word Perfect, and there's some other ones, but don't get it, when you see them and you can't open them up, look on the internet for what it is. Okay. That's the deal. When you want to shut it off, go back to Tools, go to File Folders, View, click there, and click there, and say Apply OK first. Okay, that restores it back. But the main thing there is that you want to know, you can see the files, the extensions, especially when they don't open. That solves a part of the problem. Okay. Close it, Jerry, for a second. Okay, let me use for a second. Just give me a second. I just want to get my thoughts again. Okay, thumb drives are basically temporary drives. Them and the backup drives, you don't know when they will give you troubles. So be careful how you use them. But so be aware of what's going on. You should try to probably back it up in 2 different medias, so you have no problems. They're like 2 hard drives. Okay. How many people know how to make restore points? No. Okay, I just asked in the way I did for a reason. Okay. All the operating systems, XP, Vista now, allows you to make restore points more than 1 or 2 or 3. It takes a certain amount of the disk space for it. Normally, when you install certain programs, it will make its own restore point. A certain amount of times, it will make its own restore points. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, it will make its own restore points. What happens is that when it does it, you will find that the restore points may or may not work. Theirs. That's right. I'll blow your mind out of the thing that I told you. You're gonna hate me for what I tell you, because the facts of life are true. Okay. What you want to do is do the following. Go start. Go all programs. Go accessories. System tools. Go slide across, and you want to go system restore. System restore gives you an option to go back and try to see if there is one that's there and you can pick it, or you can create one. The recommendation is click on create, click next, and in the description do not write date and time, but write, my computer's working today. No, I'm serious. Or I'm about to install a program, or I'm about to clean my machine out. And say create. New restore point, where's the word create? Sucker didn't like us. It should have said, oh, it works. Okay, she did, I'm sorry. Okay, there it is, I'm sorry. Okay, she just wrote the word works. Now, you should write it a little better of a description, but that's all right. But the idea, you get the idea. What you're seeing is basically that you've got a manual restore point. Now, that manual restore point will stay there for a period of time, and over a period of time, it will drop out. But at least you can get it.